Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Our video today about patterns of fracture. A fracture is a break in the continuity of a bone. It is important to assess the pattern of fracture as they can indicate the nature of causative violence. The patterns of fracture are: Number 1. Incomplete fracture involves only one cortical surface of the bone. Number 2. Complete fracture involves both the cortices with displaced or undisplaced fracture fragments. Number 3. Linear fracture, which could be transverse, oblique, or spiral fracture. Transverse fracture is a fracture which forms an angle less than 30 with the horizontal line. In oblique or spiral fractures, the angle is equal to or more than 30 with the horizontal line. Number 4. Comminuted fracture is characterized by 3 or more fracture fragments. Number 5. Segmental fracture is one in which the bone breaks into segments at 2 or more levels. There may be longitudinal split or comminuted fracture. Number 6. Impacted fracture occurs when distal fragment of bone is driven into the proximal fragment. Number 7. Avulsion fracture involves pulling loose of bone insertion by a muscle or ligament. Number 8. Hairline fracture is an undisplaced fracture with a fine fracture line. Number 9. Occult fracture is suspected clinically but is not visualized on initial radiographic examination. This X-ray shows A. Incomplete fracture, B. Complete fracture, C. Linear transverse fracture. And this X-ray shows A and B. Linear spiral oblique fracture, C. Comminuted fracture. This X-ray shows A. Segmental fracture, B. Avulsion fracture, C. Hairline fracture.